A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to A&B Exam Forum. In today's session, we are going to see previous year questions, and the topic for today will be set theory. And in set theory, we are going to see operations on set. Okay, and all these PYQs which we are presenting in this session are based on competitive examination like CDS and FCAT, and it is also benefit for those who are preparing for the railways. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's begin the session. So student, we have already completed the conceptual classes for the set theory, and we have seen there are 4 topics that are very important to set theories. The first one is set and the representation, second one is types of set, third one is operation on sets, and the fourth one is Venn diagram. Okay, so out of these 4 topics you will find 1 to 2 questions from this particular chapter. Okay, and we have already covered the conceptual classes, and if you have not watched, you can watch it and get benefited from them. Okay, so our topic of discussion will be previous year questions on this topic, operation on sets. Okay, so you can watch the corresponding theory portion first and get back to this video. Okay, so coming to the first question, it is on your screen. So there are several notations in this question. So if you don't know about the basic of set theory, you should go back and study that chapter and come back to this video, otherwise you will not gain anything. Okay, so basically the question says there are 3 set x, y, z, and this operation is given. You need to tell what will be the simplification of this operation. Okay, this is very simple one, a very easy one. So like x intersection y. Okay, x intersection y means what are the common element between x and y. So if you see x and y, the common element between these two is only c. Only c is common, not b. Why? Because b, as I told you in conceptual classes, b is not equal to this symbol set b. Okay, so this b is not equivalent to set b. This element is not equal to set a. Okay, so only c is common between x and y. Okay, similarly like x intersection y intersection z. Okay, so we have c here and c and this set, what is the common? So since this is a set and c is the element, so those two are not equal, therefore the answer would be null set, because your c is not equal to the set c. Okay, this represent member of set, whereas this represent a set having element c. Okay, and those two are not equal, therefore the common element between these two will be null set. Okay, this is denoted by phi, so option D is the correct answer. Okay, so those who have given option D, well and good, they are right. Let's see the next question. So again there are 3 sets A, B, C, and in this question you should build the set. Okay, for building the set you can tabulate them. Okay, so let's tabulate one by them. So A will be x is multiple of 7. Okay, so we begin x with 1, so it will be 7, 14, 21. Basically it is a multiplication table of 7. Okay, 7 5 is 35 and so on. Okay, let's tabulate the next set. X is multiple of 5, so let's make the multiplication table of 5, 15, 20 and so on. Let's make the table of 35. It begins with 35, 35 2 is 70 and so on. Okay, so which one of the following is a null set? Okay, so in these type of question where you need to see each and every option, always begin with option D, and most probably option D seems to be the valid one, because examiner also knows that they will do it sequentially, so better start with option D. Let's start with option D. So A intersection B, so what are the common element between A and B? So if you find A intersection B, the common element between A and B, if you see, those are 35 35 will be the common. If you go on increasing like 25, so 5 7 are 35, so 35 will be common. Then multiple of 5 is 10. So these elements will be the common element between A and B. So this minus C, so C has certain element. So what does this minus operation means? Those which are present in this set but not in C. But if you see, all these are present in C also. So there are no such element which are present in A intersection B but not C. Therefore it is equal to null set. Okay, so the result will be null set. Why? Because every element which are present in A intersection B are also present in set C, and there are no such element which are present in A intersection B but not in C. So therefore the answer is option D. Okay, I know if you don't have the theory portion, you just go back, then you can easily appreciate this solution. Okay, so option D is the right answer. Let's see the next question. So there are basically two set. Again you need to tell the number of element present in A minus B and B minus A. Student, as I told you, there are several operations like union, intersection, difference. Okay, so this is basically a difference, and difference we have represented like this. So those elements which are present in A but not in B, so this shaded portion is basically A minus B, which are present only in A and not in B. Therefore common element are also not taken inside A minus B. Okay, so this represent A minus B. Okay, so let's see. So those elements which are present in A minus A but not in B, that is A minus B. So those elements which are present in A not in B, so those elements which are present in A but not in B, so 7 is present in B, so we will ignore. 8 is not present in B, so this is this will be one element. Okay, and the other will be 9 is also not present in B, 11 is not present in B, 12 is not present in B. Whereas if you see 10 is also present in B. So there are 4 elements in A minus B. So 4 element is present in A minus B. So you can simply eliminate option A and C. So you are left with option B and D. So let's see what are the elements present in B minus A. So B minus A means the elements which are present in B but not in A. So the element which are present in B but not in A, what will be that? So 7 is element is both present in A and B. So 10 is also there. 14 and 15 are not present in A but they are present in B. So it will be 14 and 15. So there are 2 elements which are present in B minus A. So option B is the right answer. Okay, 4 and 2 is the right answer. So those who have given option B, they are right. Let's see the next question. So the question says basically they have said that A is a non-empty set of E. What is the simplification of this? Okay, so let's make it simplify. So A intersection phi is null set. So if anything is intersecting, anything which is common with phi is again a phi, because no elements are common between them, so it will become phi. Okay, and again the element which are present in A but not in phi will obviously be the A only. Okay, since it doesn't have any elements, so all the present elements which are present in A will be only in A, not in phi. So the operation result will be only A. Okay, let me make one bracket for this. Okay, so E union phi, anything with union with phi, you will have the same set. This is a property we have seen, and you have E minus A. And since E is the universal set and universal set minus A is what we have seen the definition, it is complement of A. Okay, so universal set, as I told you in my theory video, that if this is a universal set, this is a set A, so the remaining portion is the complement of A. So we get complement of A as the answer. Here universal set is what? E. Okay, so option B, those who have given, well and good, they are right. Let's see the next question. So basically there are 2 non-empty subset of E. So you need to tell what is the equivalent of this. Student, if you try to solve with the simplification, you will get into trouble. So better to solve with the Venn diagram. So you have set A and set B. Okay, so so A union A intersection B. Okay, so we have two set A and B. So this portion represent A intersection B. Okay, and you are unioning with A intersection B. So A union with A intersection B will become this shaded portion whole, which represents set A. So option C should be the correct answer. Let's see what is the right answer. Yes, option C is the right answer. Okay, quickly moving to the next question. So let's see one by one. So again, it is related to some intersection, so better to make a diagram so that you can also get a clear understanding. Okay, so we have two set A and B, and this represent A intersection B. Okay, so A intersection B is a subset, or you can say proper subset of A. So A intersection B is a subset of A, right? Yeah, this is correct. So option 1 is correct. A intersection B is a proper subset of B. Yes, you can see this is a part of B also, so this is also correct. A is subset of A union B. So A is subset of A union B. Yes, this is also correct. So with the Venn diagram, you can easily appreciate these options. So all these three are correct. Okay, so option D, those who have given, well and good, they are right. Quickly moving to the next question. Which of the following set is not correct with respect to set A and B? So as I told you, whenever you have such type of question where you need to see every option, always begin with last, option D. Okay, so let's begin with the option D. So A intersection B is 5. So we have two sets A and B, and A intersection B is 5. Basically, if there is no common element between them, they are basically disjoint set. Okay, so no common element between them, so that's why there is no common element, therefore A intersection B. So these are disjoint set. Then either A equal to 5, B equal to 5, this is incorrect. It doesn't imply this. So option D, we can see it is straight away the correct answer. If you go with the other option, let's see option C. So A is subset of B. Okay, so this is A is subset of B. Then B intersection A is equal to A. B intersection A equal to A. Yes, it is correct. So if you see, the intersection means a common element will be only A, so A will be the right answer. So option C is correct, it is not incorrect. Okay, but for they are saying which of the following is not correct, and we have seen option D is not correct, so option D is the right answer. Let's see the next question. Okay, so let's see one by one. You can draw with help of Venn diagram also. Okay, so this is our complete universal set, and we have two sets A and B. Let's make it A and B. So A union B complement. So this is A union B. Complement is this white portion. So we have made this intersection with A. You get what? Intersection with A, you get 5. Okay, so 5 minus A minus B is what? So anything which is present in 5 but not in A minus B will be 5. Okay, so option A is the right answer. Okay, understood how this 5 has come? See, A union B in complement. So the complement represent the white portion. Okay, and intersection with intersection with A, if you do intersection with this shaded portion, there are no such elements, that's why it is 5. Okay, so option A is the right answer. So that's it. So we have seen almost 8 to 10 questions from operations on set, and I know if you have not watched the conceptual part, it is very difficult to understand for them. Pause the video and have a look on how we solve these questions. Okay, so we have other videos. If you have time, you can watch it. So thank you for watching, and if you have anything to say, you can write in the comment box. We will be very happy to answer your questions. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.